today's fast-paced world, we're constantly dealing with small inconveniences that can add unnecessary stress to our day. Thankfully, there's a wide range of gadgets designed to make life easier by solving some of these common annoyances. Here's a list of 25 unique gadgets that can help you eliminate those little daily issues and make your routine smoother. Adjustable laptop stand with cooling fans. Overheating laptops and neck pain from poor posture are common problems. An adjustable laptop stand with built-in cooling fans keeps your device cool while allowing you to work comfortably at eye level. Anti-theft backpack. Pickpocketing is a concern in crowded places, but this gadget has you covered. Anti-theft backpacks come with hidden zippers and RFID blocking pockets to keep your belongings secure. Retractable folding stool. Whether you're waiting in line, hiking, or fishing, this compact stool pops out to give you an instant seat. Lightweight and portable, it's a lifesaver for those on the go. Self-stirring mug. For coffee or tea lovers, this gadget saves you the hassle of finding a spoon. The self-stirring mug mixes your beverage with the press of a button, ensuring perfectly blended drinks every time. Magnetic door stopper. Ever had a door slam shut unexpectedly? A magnetic door stopper keeps doors securely in place, preventing noise, damage, or sudden movements caused by drafts. LED mirror with smart touch. Getting ready in the morning can be a hassle, especially in poorly lit rooms. An LED mirror with smart touch functionality provides perfect lighting for grooming and makeup, while the touch feature lets you control brightness with ease. Portable phone stand. Whether you're working, watching videos, or attending virtual meetings, a portable phone stand can make life easier. It lets you prop up your phone hands-free, so you can keep it at the perfect angle for your activities. Smart plugs. Smart plugs allow you to control any appliance with your phone or voice commands. Whether it's your coffee maker, lights, or fan, you can turn them on and off remotely, making it easier to manage your devices without getting up. Temperature control mug. If you've ever had your coffee or tea go cold before you can finish it, you'll appreciate a temperature control mug. This gadget keeps your drink at the perfect temperature for hours, ensuring it's always at the right heat when you're ready for a sip. Portable coffee maker. When you're running late and can't stop for coffee, A portable coffee maker is a lifesaver. Compact and easy to use, it lets you brew fresh coffee wherever you are, so you can get your caffeine fix without missing a beat. Compact Air Purifier. Air quality can make a huge difference in how you feel throughout the day. A compact air purifier can help eliminate dust, pollen, and allergens from the air, providing cleaner air wherever you need it most. Smart Trash Can. A smart trash can is the perfect solution to keeping your home neat and hygienic. With motion sensor technology, it opens automatically when you approach, eliminating the need to touch the lid and keeping germs at bay. Bluetooth Tracker. If you've ever misplaced your keys, phone, or wallet, a Bluetooth tracker can save you from that frustrating search. Simply attach the small device to your belongings, and you can locate them using an app on your phone. Mini Smart Humidifier. Dry air in the winter months can lead to discomfort and dryness in your skin and throat. A mini smart humidifier can be placed on your desk or bedside table, providing constant moisture and improving air quality in your personal space. Portable Hand Warmer. On those chilly mornings when your hands are freezing, a portable hand warmer can provide quick relief. These small, rechargeable devices keep your hands warm for hours, perfect for outdoor activities or cold office spaces. Automatic Plant Watering System. For those who forget to water their plants or travel often, an automatic plant watering system is the perfect solution. This gadget takes care of your plants, ensuring they stay hydrated and healthy even when you're too busy or away. Self-cleaning water bottle. If you're someone who's always on the go, spills and dirty bottles can be a big annoyance. A self-cleaning water bottle uses UV light to sanitize itself, killing 99% of bacteria and ensuring your water stays clean and fresh. Wireless charging pad. Tangled charging cables can quickly make a desk or bedside table look messy. A wireless charging pad lets you charge your phone without the hassle of plugging and unplugging cords, keeping your space clean and organized. Smart LED night light. Waking up in the middle of the night and fumbling around for the light switch can be inconvenient. A smart LED night light automatically turns on when it detects motion, lighting your way without you having to search for the switch. Cordless electric kettle. Boiling water the old-fashioned way can take time, especially if you're in a rush. A cordless electric kettle boils water quickly and efficiently, making it perfect for tea, coffee, or any recipe that requires hot water. TapXr. Meet TapXr, the keyboard, mouse, and controller all on your wrist. Type anywhere, control any device, and take your productivity to the next level. Tap into the future with TapXr. Charge Card. Never run out of battery again with Charge Card, the ultra-thin charger that fits right in your wallet. Power up anywhere, anytime. Stay charged with Charge Card. Electric can opener. Struggling to open a can with a manual opener is a thing of the past with an electric can opener. This hands-free gadget easily opens cans with the push of a button, making it a must-have for anyone with limited hand strength or dexterity. Furbo Dog Camera. Keep an eye on your furry friend anytime, anywhere. Talk, toss treats, and stay connected with the Furbo Dog Camera, your pet's new best friend. Rocketbook Smart Notebook. Say goodbye to paper waste. The Rocketbook Smart Notebook lets you write, scan, and reuse endlessly. Your notes, now smarter than ever. Which one would you add to your life? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing tech solutions.